Morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. I'm here at a little spot off of I-5 called the Bravo Farms, and it's probably a tourist trap type place. But when places like this put in the effort, I'll stop in and show you what I find, right? You got the carriage and the Clydesdales. They have a dog park over there, so you can exercise your pet's legs. Look at this old wooden shanty here. And they've basically built a whole western town. I don't know if it's fake or if you can actually go inside these. I'm gonna go check it out though. Hey, you can get back here. I like the fake grass too. Oh, we're sifting for gold. Very cool. A lot of detail for a little roadside attraction. Let's go upstairs. Well, there used to be some type of animatronics in here, but it has since stopped working and they have not maintained it. But I'm guessing some of these characters did some fun stuff in here. And now we're up on the second deck balcony up here. Hey, birdie. He's like, man, quit chasing me. Here we are in the inside. It's a huge gift shop. And this is just the upstairs. There's an entire downstairs here. Oh my gosh. They have some magnets here. Let me look through some of these. I actually like this wood one the best with the little Westphalia camper van, California, San Francisco, Los Angeles. I haven't been to Sequoia or Yosemite yet, but I might still get it just because you don't see these custom handmade wood ones very often. This is one heck of a gift store. Wow. Oh look, they have cheerwine. That stuff that camper van Kevin showed me in Georgia. Try one of those. In my overall opinion, if you gotta hit a tourist trap for a little stretch, pick this one. It's fun. Legendary. It's got real sugar in it. Careful. No? Okay. I forgot. I gotta make a detour, so I do have to head over to Bakersfield for a couple things. Let you know when I get there. Alrighty, I just arrived in Bakersfield, and in a lot of ways, owning an RV is no different than owning a house, except actually there's some extra steps. But when something breaks, I don't just call up a landlord and say, hey, can you fix this for me? No, just like in a house, you need to repair it yourself. You need to figure out how to repair it. But the added part is that I've also got the engine and the chassis related stuff. But I woke up this morning and two things seemed to have just broke for no reason overnight. My magnet cupboard was open. So as you can see now, I do have a temporary fix here with some duct tape. This I did halfway through the trip. Oh no, really, Eric? Awesome. The duct tape took off some of the finish there. Anyway, had to do that because I was driving down the highway and this was smashing back and forth and I lost half the magnets on the trip, but I have no idea where it even went to. Here's where it used to clip in. It doesn't exist. I already went through all of this stuff back here. I couldn't even find where it went to, but it no longer latches. And there's two of them. There's one here. This is the one that used to attach and it doesn't. It's broke off and gone. Some holes there for another one, and right there, here's another one that used to be up there. So I don't know what happened, but I know that was a pain. For 30 miles I dealt with that thrash, and then I pulled over on the side of the highway, duct taped it, took off some of the finish on there, but I'm gonna go find a repair for that because that I just can't handle. There's no way, you know, ripping off duct tape. No, we got to fix that right away. And then I went in to use this cupboard today. This one's baffling too. There we go. See? So I went in and I was going to reach for a pair of, it's holding right now, but reach for a pair of socks, and then I got my boxers in this drawer right here. Well, I went in, reached in, this thing slammed down on my hand really hard. I don't understand how both of them can go out. Both of these have lost their ability to hold. Like, there's 2 on every single drawer in this RV and every single one back there. How do they both go out just overnight for no reason? There was absolutely no warning. Like, this didn't start to go out, it went out overnight. So also going to go inside and see if I can find some replacement of those guys as well. So although it wasn't planned, luckily there are Home Depots just about everywhere every time you get to a big city. And I don't need to buy RV specific anything anymore. When I start doing repairs and stuff, I just look for anything and the simplest way to fix these projects and stuff. So no biggie. I'll be back. This is absolutely hilarious. So we got the white or the black. Both empty, both out of stock. Jeez. I really did not plan on driving around to every Home Depot in California trying to fix a cupboard latch. This is ridiculous. I'm going to figure something else out. Absolutely hilarious. Here we go again. I will just mention this Home Depot in the hardware section was incredibly helpful. He scanned the barcode and found out that they don't have any in stock. He also looked at all the other 3 Home Depots in the general area within 30 miles here at Bakersfield, and he found one about 9 miles away that has 49 of those in stock. So that's not to say that 49 haven't been stolen out of the bin or there's some, in a box somewhere that another employee is not going to want to get, but I just can't do this. I can't have the cupboard smashing on the road. This is literally all I'm going to do all day. But I'm not going to drive the RV. I'm going to park it right here. I'm going to unload the bike, grab the helmet and the gear, and we're going to ride the bike around Bakersfield until we find a way to secure this cabinet. I will just also mention, in case you're wondering, Eric, there's other ways to latch those cupboards. Nope. Already tried it in an RV. If you're thinking, why don't I go with a magnetic one? They do not work in an RV. I have tried magnetic on this drawer down here. I've tried them up there. The vibrations of the road constantly jar loose every single type of magnetic closure. So there is no other way to do it. It's either duct tape or just riding around. So Jax, bear with me. I'll be back in a little bit, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Not a single store in Bakersfield has this 90. I'm delirious right now. Oh my gosh. I forgot to mention the mess that I cleaned up with all the cat food coming out and all the clothes and all of my tools and stuff. This is ridiculous. This is so funny. Did I mention they didn't have them at the other store that I rode my bike to? I guess I'm just gonna drive to Los Angeles now and stop at every hardware store. And then I don't know. I'm sorry. You could not script this right. You could not script this right now. This is too funny. Oh my gosh. I'll get back with you guys. Oh, they got 2 of them. Same price. Yep. Lowe's is no different. Thanks, Lowe's. Sun's setting. Today was just one of those days, guys. I am probably not going to use any of the footage from the last, 5-6 hours of my day. I'm exhausted. This just goes to show you, though, you can make plans. Go ahead, make your plans. But you are 100% not in control. My eyes hurt. I'm just exhausted from just... What is this thing called? So this thing is officially called a double roller catch with sphere strike statutory bronze. 97 cents. Do you know that if you bought these on eBay, you could probably sell them like crack here in California because nobody has them. You could probably sell them for $25 and still run out. I know, I'm full of jokes. I'm trying to make light of this day. I cannot believe that this is all I'm going to get done in an entire day. Well, except for where I started the video. I don't know what to tell you guys. I had an off day, and look, full moon. Maybe that's got something to do with it. I'm not kidding you guys. Seriously, we do not have any control sometimes. Let's go inside. All right, so here's what we came up with here. We got one new one right there. Had to drill new holes because these are probably stripped, you know, the old ones. And I also put a second one down here. So now, as you can see, one there and one right there. It is staying closed. On the plus side, how's that new magnet look? It's pretty awesome. I like it. Okay, I bought 10 of these, so I have 8 left, just in case. I might be able to sell them for $100 a piece later sometime when the entire country is out of them again. I don't know. I'm really, really exhausted. This was no fun. Just like you guys have bad days, I have bad days. It wasn't supposed to be a bad day. I have done everything in my power to laugh it off and smile it off. I mean, with my hysteria and crying and laughing included. But I just, it is what it is. I'm not in control. None of us are. Jackson and I will see you in a couple days. Bye-bye.